Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you a beautiful poem, The Sailors, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Here in this poem, Rabindranath Tagore had described, he had imagined a small boy, how his feelings were to sail in a boat and go all around in the fairy lands. See, children, you also, when you see any boat, you like to sail on it, isn't it? Yes, even I too. When you see an aeroplane, you like to fly in it. When you see a train, you want to travel in it. In the same way, a small boy called Madhu, he also want to sail in the boat, sailing to the fairy lands and leaving a message to his mother that don't cry sitting in a corner, because when we also were not being found anywhere, mothers will be feeling a lot, isn't it? So in this I will tell you this beautiful poem, The Sailor. First, let us know about the author of this poem, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, he was born in 1861 and died in 1941. He was an Indian poet, short story writer, and a playwright, songwriter, musician, and an artist. He played an important role in the Indian struggle for independence from the British and founded the Vishwa Bharati University in Shakuntala in West Bengal. He had just in all his writings, it is all the characters what he have written is just an imaginary part. So in this poem, The Sailor, he had described very beautifully how a child, when he walks on the road, he just sees a boat which is in a raft. Raft means a place where boats are stopped. So he have seen a beautiful boat and it was fully loaded with jute, and that small boy in his small mind, he thinks to travel in that, he want to sail in that boat, and he want to go all along and to the fairy lands, and he just leaves a message to his mother saying that, Mom, you don't be sitting in a corner and be crying for me. Morning, he and his friend Ashu will be going on it, and he will be traveling to the fairy lands. Even you do, children, you also like to go to the fairy lands and see all the things what is happening there, isn't it? In the same way, as this small boy Madhu, he also want to travel all along, and he want to see how the other world, how the fairy world is there present. He and his friend Ashu, they want to travel in the morning, and he just leaves a message to the mother saying that he will be leaving in the morning and by night they would be coming back, and saying the mom, you don't be crying for me sitting in a corner, he will come back. And you also, children, when you go to school in the morning and return back in the evening, you'll be, while before going for the bed, you will be telling to your mother what had happened the whole day in the school, isn't it? In the same way, this boy Madhu also, he tells to the mother he would be coming back home in the night, and he would be explaining you what had happened, what he have seen in the fairy lands the whole day, and he would be telling that to the mother. So this was the, just I have explained you briefly. Now all of you open, now all of you open page number 16. The Sailors. The boat of the boatman Madhu is moored at the wharf of Rajganj. It is uselessly laden with jute and has been lying there idle for ever so long. Here, in these lines, Madhu, the boatman Madhu, he is saying that the boat is moored. Moored means tied at the wharf of Rajganj. Wharf means a place where a boat is stopped. And he says that it is uselessly laden with jute. Laden means loaded heavily with jute and has been lying there idle ever so long. Means if from for a long time it is been loaded heavily with jute and it is been kept there for so much long time. If he would only lend me his boat, I should man her with 100 oars and hoist sail 5 or 6 or 7. So he is saying that if anyone gives the boat to him, he would be hoisting a sail and he will be sailing for 5 or 6 or 7. I should never steer her to stupid markets. I should sail the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. He says that he would never take the boat for the stupid markets. You know why he says stupid markets? Because in the market every business works will be dealing on and it is being fully rushed. So he does not like to take the boat to the market, but he want to sail over the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of the fairyland. I already said you all like to go to the fairylands, isn't it? In the same way, this boy Madhu, he also want to sail over the 7 seas and 13 rivers and he want to go to the fairyland. But mother, you won't weep for me in a corner. I am not going into the forest like Ramchandra to come back only after 14 years. So, he is giving a message to the mother saying that don't sit and weep, don't sit and cry in the corner for me. And he is not going like the Lord Rama. You all know, no? Lord Rama, he went to the forest for 14 years and he came back to the palace. In the same way, he is saying that he is not like Rama to go for 14 years. He says that he would return back home fast. I shall become the prince of the story and fill my boat with whatever I like. He is saying that if you leave him, he would sail and in his own story he would become the prince and he can fill the boat with whatever he like. I shall take my friend Asu with me. We shall sail merrily across the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. He also says that he does not go alone, but he takes his friend Asu with him, sailing merrily. Merrily means happily across the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of the fairyland. We shall set sail in the early morning light with when at noontide you are bathing at pond, we shall be in the land of a strange king. So he says to the mother, he would sail in the early morning itself and he would come back in the night. And we shall be, when you are bathing in the meanwhile, by the time he would be in the strange king, land of a strange king. We shall pass the ford of Tarpani and leave behind us the desert of Tepantar. Tarpani is a river in West Bengal and Tepantar is a frictional desert in the old Bengal. So he was saying that he would pass all these rivers and desert and he would be leaving them back and he would be going to the fairyland. When we come back, it will be getting dark and I shall tell you of all that we have seen. I shall cross the 7 seas and the 13 rivers of fairyland. He is saying that he would come back by the time it becomes dark, and he shall tell all that he have seen over all these seas, 7 seas and the 13 rivers of the fairy land. So now all of you, I think, have understood the poem The Sailors, and it was written by Rabindranath Tagore, isn't it? Now see children, all of you read the poem, and you read this poem 2 or 3 times, and just open page number 18. You have given one word answers. Try to complete that one word answers, and in page number 19 you have got the picture, and you have given the even the clue box. You have to complete that picture, and in tomorrow's class we will meet.